Good morning students. So in previous class we were discussing the lesson number 5, that is festivals and celebrations, and in these lessons we learned that we in our India, in our country, we celebrate many festivals with different types of cultures, okay, and we enjoy and have fun on the festivals. We wear new clothes, okay, and we prepare delicious foods and sweets, okay, on the festival, okay. And I told you that there are two types of festivals, okay. How many? There are two types of festivals. First one is national festivals and second one is religious festivals, okay. So I told you that national festivals, some of the national festivals are there that we celebrate in our India on a particular day to celebrate our past events, okay. So such festivals are like Independence Day, National and Republic Day, and next Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. So when do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th August. Okay. So why do we celebrate this day? Because we got freedom on this day. So in the to celebrate that past event, we celebrate this Independence Day on the 15th August every day. Okay. And next, the Prime Minister of our India hosts the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi on the Independence Day. Okay. So when do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on the 26th January every year. Okay. And the President of our India hosts the national flag at Rajpath in Delhi every year on the Republic Day. Okay, this much we discussed in the previous class, and today we are going to discuss Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so first one, when do we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay, so it is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Okay, so why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd October? Because it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, why do we celebrate this day? Because it is the birthday of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know who is Mahatma Gandhi? Okay, he was a great freedom fighter. Okay, who fought for us to get the freedom. Okay, so he was a freedom fighter. So in the name of Mahatma Gandhi, we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd October. Okay, so the reason why we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti is it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So we celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti every year. Okay. So after this, open the page number 109. Open the page number 109. Okay. And what they ask for, see, cut and paste a picture of the Republic Day celebration in the space given below. So you should take a picture, okay, picture of what, which is in which you should celebrate the Republic Day. Republic Day celebrate ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್. Okay, you can get that picture in newspaper, in magazines, or in anywhere. Okay, or else take a printout in the net cafe. Okay, so the celebration of Republic Day, take a picture and paste it there. Okay, so after this, turn on the page and page number 110. Open the page number 110 and take a pencil in your hand, because some of the questions are there, you have to answer them. Okay, so what are the questions? How many questions are there? There are 3 questions. Choose the correct option is there. Okay. Choose the correct option. And the first question is the President of India hosts the Indian flag on Republic Day or Independence. The first question. The second question is Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Gandhiji. President of India. The third one is Republic Day is the national holiday. Religious festival. Okay, so these are the three questions. Just read those questions properly. Okay, so on the basis of that what you learned in previous class, in today's class, questions are there. Okay, it's very easy. See, what you have to do is choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. They have given two options. Okay, so the first question is the President of India hosts the Indian flag on Republic Day or Independence Day. So what is the correct answer? C. We hosted the national flag on both day, on Republic Day as well on the Independence Day. Okay, but observe the questions properly. The President of India. When the President of India hosts the flag on Republic Day or on Independence Day. So it is the correct answer is Republic Day. Okay, President hosts the flag on Republic Day, but the Prime Minister of India hosts the flag on Independence Day. Okay, don't get confused in between both of them. Okay, so the President of India hosts the national flag on Republic Day. Okay, do one thing, put the correct mark on it or underline it. Okay, so the second question is Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Gandhiji or President of India. What is the correct answer? Just I told you. Just 10 minutes before I told you. Okay. So Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of whom? Whom birthday is this? Is this Gandhiji's birthday or President of India's birthday? Yes, it is Gandhiji's birthday. Okay, we celebrate the Gandhiji's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Okay. Now the third and the last question is Republic Day is a national or religious festival? Yes, Republic Day. Which kind of festival is this? I told you there are two types of festivals. First one is the national festivals and religious festivals. Still we didn't study about religious festivals. Okay, so just we studied about the national festivals and Republic Day is a national festival. Okay, when do we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th Jan every year. Okay, so these are the some questions with their answers. Just write down. Okay, after this we are going to study about religious festivals. Okay, see. So, religious festivals. do you know what are the religious festivals? Religious festivals are the festivals which we celebrate in our home. In our home. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇ, we wear new clothes, we prepare delicious foods or sweets in our home, is it? And what are the religious festivals? Many are there, okay, many are there, like Diwali, yes, Deepavali, next Dashera, Holi, etc. Many are there, okay. Now this in this religious festivals we will study all the festivals, okay. So people of different religions celebrate different festivals in different ways. Let us read about them. See, now Hindu people celebrate different festivals and Muslim people celebrate different kinds of festivals, and then Christian people are there, yes. Christian people celebrate Christmas and Good Friday. Next, Muslim people celebrate Ramzan, Muharram and Bakrid, yes. And we, in the sense, Hindu people celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate what? Holi, Dashera, Diwali, etc. Okay. So this is different. Many different kinds of festivals is celebrated by different types of religions. Okay. So first one we will study about Diwali. Yes, first festival is about Diwali. Many children like this. Diwali festival. Okay. So see, it is the festival of lights. So which kind of festival is this? It is the festival of lights. It is the festival of lights. Why we call this festival is a light festival? Because we light the lamps. ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ? ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ. That's because we called it as a festival of lights. Okay. Next, on this day we decorate our home. Yes, on this day we decorate our home with diyas, rangoli and lights. Is it? ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ. So we decorate our homes with diya, rangoli and lights. See, we decorate our homes with diya, next rangoli and lights. ದಿವಾಲಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ? ದೀಪನೂ ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೂ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇ? ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. People exchange gifts and sweets. So ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ದಿವಾಲಿ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಉಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರ್ಜಿಕಾಯಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಕರ್ಜಿಕಾಯಿನ ಮನೆ ಬಾಜಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿವಾಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is it is the festival of lights. It is the which festival? Diwali is the festival of lights. Then next we decorate our homes. We decorate our homes with diya, rangoli and lights. Okay. And people exchange gifts and what? Sweets on this day. This is about Diwali. And also we wear the new clothes. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ ಪಟಾಕ್ಷಿನೂ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ Diwali. Okay. So now next is there about Dashera and Eid ul Fitr, Guru Purab, Christmas. Still 4 festivals are there. Okay. These 4 festivals we will discuss in the next class. Okay. What is Dashera? Why we celebrate Dashera? Okay. And what is what is that? Eid ul Fitr. Okay. And what is Guru Purab? And what is Christmas? These all festivals we will study in the next class. Read this lesson again for one time, and see, now only I told you know that choose the correct option, which is that page number 110. Yes, choose the correct option. Just write it for 2 times in your home, in your notebook. Okay. So I will continue tomorrow.